Waking up to bedhead, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and somewhat humorous phrase in the English language, bedhead. It's a term you might hear in everyday conversations, especially in a casual or light-hearted context. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it correctly in your conversations. So, let's unravel the mystery of bedhead together. Bedhead refers to the disheveled or messy hairstyle that many people have when they wake up in the morning. This term humorously captures the look of hair that has been tangled, flattened, or made unruly during sleep. The important thing to note here is that bedhead isn't just any messy hair. It specifically relates to the state of your hair after sleeping. The term bedhead is relatively modern, gaining popularity in the late 20th century. It's a compound noun, combining bed, where we sleep, and head, referring to our hair in this context. This phrase vividly describes the common experience of waking up with hair that seems to have a mind of its own. Now, let's see how to use bedhead in everyday conversations. 1. Describing yourself or others. I can't go out with this bedhead. I need to comb my hair first. 2. In a light-hearted manner, you've got quite the bedhead this morning. Did you fight with your pillow? 3. As an excuse, sorry, I'm not looking my best. I've got serious bedhead today. Notice how the phrase is often used in a playful or self-deprecating way. In many Western cultures, bedhead is seen as a humorous, non-serious problem. It's often associated with a relaxed, informal atmosphere. Understanding this cultural context can help you appreciate the light-hearted nature of the phrase. So, that's bedhead for you. It's a quirky and fun phrase that reflects the little challenges of everyday life. Remember, English is full of such colorful expressions, and understanding them can add a lot of charm to your conversations. I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable using and understanding the term bedhead. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with a smile, even if you've got a bit of bedhead.